Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the physical connection and enabling the basics. Plug a certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and the charger's USB port labeled with a phone icon, or, if your charger supports wireless CarPlay, go to Settings and choose Bluetooth. Once connected, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and that CarPlay permission appears on screen so you can accept it. This step gets the data link active. Without it, CarPlay cannot access navigation, audio, or Siri functions. Once CarPlay is active, you'll see a simplified iOS interface on the charger display. Select the CarPlay icon to open it. You can rearrange apps from your iPhone under Settings, which makes navigation or music one tap away. Use the touchscreen, rotary controller, or steering wheel buttons to control playback and maps. However, Siri is often faster for hands-free commands. Say a command, wait for the tone, then speak clearly. This configuration step optimizes safety and reduces distraction while driving. To finish, verify everything works. Play a song, start navigation, and make a quick call to confirm audio routing through the charger speakers. If something goes wrong, first disconnect, restart your iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment, then reconnect. Cables are a common culprit, so swap with a certified Lightning cable if wired CarPlay fails. Make sure your iPhone iOS and Uconnect firmware are up to date, because version mismatches are the usual reason for unstable behavior. This closes the setup and reduces future issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.